This is Michaela Block here, and me and Annabelle. This is Annabelle. This is us, and we are sliding down this hill, this massive hill we have here. Well, it's not really massive, but it's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. And what? I don't know, but
I haven't done it before.
She's never done it before. She's crazy. And look at my glove. It's broken. But, oh my goodness. Oh, she's a jerk. But I'm climbing up this hill. I'm going to hoist her up. And be careful down there.
Oh, I didn't find the chain.
Okay. We're going to sled down this hill. It's a long way down. Oh, don't eat the yellow snow, please. Okay. See? There it is. Let's hope we don't break a leg. And I will get back to you later. Bye.
Here I go.
Ready? Whee!
Really? That was good. That was a good one.
Oh, that's so fun.
No.
Don't be a baby. Get on that sled and ride on that hill. Hey, Gabby. Oh no.
Doing that. These stupid shoes are not for snow.
It's okay. Just calm down.
Fashion.
Fashion. Be a fashionista.
I can't do this.
Annabelle, relax. Just go.
I'm like 13 more freaking million pounds bigger than you.
Oh, no, you're not. Okay. Slow. Here, you want me to hold the sled?
Yeah.
Oh, dear. We can do this. We got this, people. She's not gonna die. Put your other leg over there.
No.
Come on, Annabelle. Annabelle, just do it. Go. Go.
I don't want to do this.
Just keep your oh my rings.
Ow.
Okay. This video is being so long. It's being so long.
Oh, no. This one YouTube video of this girl. She videoed it for like an hour of her trying to do a backflip. I sat there and watched the whole thing.
Really?
It was late.
It was late. I was tired. Okay. Okay. Okay, you got it. You got it. Okay, put your foot on there. I got you. I got you. Put your foot on. Let go. No, I'm not. I'll tell you when you're ready. When you're ready.
That was so fun.
Told you. Ooh. Okay, wait. How do you? I'm trying to figure this dumb thing out. Okay, wait. Hold on. Sorry, folks. Okay, forget it. Okay, people, she did it. Woo! Okay, stop. This is going to be what it feels like to slide down our hill. Whew. Okay, here I go. I don't know where Annabelle is, but there's Gabby on the porch. Here I go. Oh dear. Oh my goodness! Ah! Ow! That hurts so bad. I think I broke my hip. I think I broke my hip. Oh my goodness, that hurts so bad. This is gonna be the funniest video ever. I just slid down the hill the wrong way and I got stuff in my hair. And I thought I broke my hip, but don't worry, I did not. As you can see, There's Annabelle. I was up there, and I slid down. We were supposed to go down here. I slid through this brush and went all the way here, and my butt hit that thing. I was laying here in dog pee! Oh, it's so nasty. But now Annabelle's gonna go for round 2. So, here it goes. I gotta go. Here she goes, people. Oh, it's snowing. Yay. Go. Just go. Come along, darling. Spit spot. I just hope you don't run into me. I will die.
See? I'm a 2-1 type of person. I just smell like rock my sledding.